Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can add payment method on your Instagram. Maybe you want to add payment method on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add your payment method on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account and you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, select your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then from your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, simply choose these orders and payment. And then in here, simply tap on these payment methods under the settings. And then in here, simply add payment method. In here, you can add credit or debit card, your PayPal, or ShopPay. For example, you want to add your PayPal, tap on this PayPal button. And then in here, you just simply log in with your PayPal account to add it into your payment method on Instagram. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add payment method on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your payment method on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.